AI is everywhere, from ChatGPT to self-driving car to recommendation you see every day, voice assistants, smart devices. But there is a real question. Do you actually understand how it works? Most people hear terms like machine learning, deep learning, or data models and immediately feel confused. It sounds complex, but the core idea is actually simple. Artificial intelligence or AI is about teaching machine to learn patterns from data and use those patterns to make decisions. Just like human learn from experience, machine learn from data. Now let's see how machine learns using data. So there are different way how we train the model or train the system or train artificial intelligence. So in artificial intelligence there are different types of learning, like I will cover a couple of them: supervised learning and unsupervised learning. So first we will discuss what is supervised learning. We train model with the label data, an input and correct output. We show the system many cats images labeled as cat, and model learns and patterns. We are going to provide the label data to system, like cat, as we are providing three different cats. Not only three different cats, we provide a lot of data in real world real model training. We provide a lot of images of cats, dogs, and different animals and different objects, and we provide data, label data. So the model studies these example and learn patterns. Now we give the model a new image of cat. It compares the new input with what it has learned before and predict. And it says, yes, this is a cat. But what if the prediction is wrong? So the model calculates the error and then adjusts itself to reduce the error. The process repeats many times, and that's how model improve over time. So we can see some of a few more examples of supervised learning, how prediction work. We provide new image. Once model learns, once we train the model, we provide new image. Model compares, predict cat or tiger or horse. So here we provided input data, input raw data with label data like tiger, horse, camel, and we provided the labels and trained the data set, and it process and it gives us a output like tiger, horse. When we provide tiger, image of tiger, it will say that okay, this is a tiger, this is a horse, this is camel. So new image, model compares, predict. That is a supervised learning. If any error, the process repeat many times, and that's how model improve over time. Now let's look at unsupervised learning. Here we don't provide labels. We give the system raw data and let it find patterns on its own. It groups similar data together. So here we provided unlabeled data. On the left side, spoon, cups, bowls, and it process. So it groups similar data together. On the right side, if you see that group of spoons, cups. So this process is called clustering. Sometimes the group is not perfect. So the same thing, we adjust the model and we let it learn again. Over time the structure become clearer. So in this way we train the model, AI model, like ChatGPT also. We train with the text, lot of text, huge amount of data, huge amount of text from website, from PDFs, from Wikipedia. We provide lot of images of the world and voice, multimodal things, you can say, voice, audios, videos, images, text, and that train on that text. So ChatGPT is more on text based, but now it's working on multimodal also. When we provide image, it can find detailed information using the image, voice. So over time, it improve itself. Now let's connect this to the real life. This is how Netflix recommend movies. If we visit on the website and we watch few movies, and then it recommends us, okay, you can watch this movie. So Netflix recommendation, that is a AI. And how bank detect fraud, that is an AI also, using one of the learning model. And we provide a chatbot. So how chatbot understand your question and responds intelligently. So for chatbot, we provide a lot of we provide the PDF or website of that particular company. So ChatGPT go there and read the data and provide you uh, understanding or response intelligently. Now here is an important distinction: machine learning and AI, or you can say AI versus machine learning. So AI is the bigger goal, making machine intelligent. Machine learning is one of the main way to achieve the goal. So we can say that the big circle, if you have a circle, big circle, that is AI. Inside the circle, there is a ML, that is machine learning. And inside that one, we have deep learning. So AI is the big circle, and inside that ML, machine learning, is a subset of AI that enables machine to learn from data and improve without being explicitly programmed. Its goal: enable machine to learn from data and make prediction or decision like human being. We can make decision like human being. And this machine learning includes different types of learning: supervised learning, that is labeled data; unsupervised learning, unlabeled data; reinforcement learning, that is a different learning we did not learn, but basically it's learn based on the reward system, like it used in self-driving cars. Like it based on the reward system. Like if you give a dog, if you want to train a dog, first we train a dog with a if we throw a ball and ask dog to get the ball. So if a dog brings the ball back, we give like a cookie or biscuit. So dog understand that, okay, if I bring the ball, then I get the reward. So based on that one, cars also they train the car on the reinforcement system based on that reward system. If car go hit on any object, then rewards get deducted, and if it goes clearly, then it gets rewards. So based on the reward, it works. It trains on the reward system. That is the reinforcement learning. So these are the different types of learning. And ML is how the robot learns from experience, also data, to get better at task. Now let's go one step deeper. That is, deep learning is a more advanced form of machine learning. So it uses multiple layers to process data step by step. If you see in the center, you have multiple hidden layers. If you have more complex data or large amount of data, there are multiple layers, hidden layers. So deep learning use artificial neural networks. Like our human has neurons in our brains, so we make decision based on our neurons. Neuron process. So similarly, in this system, we are using artificial neural network with multiple layers. So we provide input and we get a prediction output. So example of deep learning, like we can say that image recognition. If we provide the image, what is this or something like that. So it recognize, suppose on our iPhone or the other phones, we have unlock our phone by using our face. So it recognize our face. So that is the neural network. That is the deep learning. And speech recognition, suppose sometime we say somewhat multiple time, and then it unlock our system also. It recognize our voice. Even if you see in the car, I mean, we want to make a call and we said that call this person, so it recognize our voice. And natural language processing, that ChatGPT, and self-driving car, that use reinforcement learning and medical imaging. I mean, if we summarize everything, AI learn from data, it improves from mistake, and over time it becomes smarter. That's the real power of AI. If you want to learn AI step by step in the simplest and most practical way, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.